You want to check this washing machine is not feeding water, so we'll check the inlet valves. This is the meter. This is the valve that feeds cold water. So you can see it has nothing on the multimeter. This one is working. This one, it's working. This one, it's working. So you can see this one is faulty. This one is faulty. Even it's cracked. If you see, it's cracked. So we will replace this one. Probably we will remove it, move it out, and replace with another valve. So this is the model number of the washing machine. Then nako manyesi nyosi.